it's Ryan here at the ROQUS Tech Center. I'm going to show how fast our next machine can print and how much faster the ECO can print with fly mode. To illustrate this, I'm using just one print head with the fastest print stroke and speed possible. So let's start. So we just have a very small left press print stroke right here. This is our next machine. This is a chain drive index, and as you can see, it's indexing and printing at over 1,300 an hour. Okay, let's step over to the ECO. You can see as this press is geared differently, it's a little bit faster press just out of the gate without fly mode turned on. So 1354, 1358, running between 1343 and 1358 per hour. Fly mode speeds your press up to the fastest it can print. Okay, as you see now, everything's the same. We've automatically gone another 50 pieces per hour using fly mode, all the way up to 1406. All right, as you can see, the ROQUS can fly, but the ECO takes you higher.